If you are approved for test taking accommodations, you are now ready to book your exams. Once you are logged into the portal, you can begin your booking by clicking on the Book a Test link from the main menu page. You will then arrive at the Exam Assistance Help page. From here, you can click on the Schedule a Test, Midterm, or Quiz tab to continue. Once on the test proctoring page, you can begin the 6-step process by clicking on the Select Course link in the upper left or the Next button on the bottom right. Step 1. You will have the option of choosing any course for which you have successfully submitted an accommodation letter. Step 2. After choosing the course, you will be asked to identify the exam by date, start time, and duration. Do so by using the icons to the right. Please remember to identify the exam information that is identical to the date and time in which the class is being administered. Any alternative testing time should be arranged with the Proctoring Center staff after the initial booking. Step 3. Confirm the name and email information of the instructor. Step 4. Confirm the approved accommodations you want to use for the exam. Step 5. Please check that the date and time of the exam you entered is accurate. Again, any alternative testing times should be arranged with the Proctoring Center staff after the initial exam booking. If the exam information displayed is correct, please continue on. Step 6. Review all the information entered and confirm that your booking is accurate by clicking I acknowledge that the information I am submitting is correct to the best of my knowledge, and clicking Finish. To ensure that your exam has been booked, click on the My Upcoming Events tab slightly above, or using the My Schedule link from the main menu page. As long as your exam is listed, you have successfully submitted and completed your booking. Please note that the tentative status only means that we are awaiting finalizing details from your professor. It is highly encouraged that you check back onto the student portal the evening before your exam to verify your exam booking and the location in which your exam will take place. This concludes the exam booking process.